Similarly, the transaction for posting CO documents to FI is no longer available in SAP S/4HANA. So where we can see that. So I will first show you into ECC system. So we will go back to SAP Easy Access screen, and it is normally under accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, and here we have the options under corrections, which is post CO documents to FI. Now I will show you into SAP S/4HANA whether that option exists or not. So go to SAP Easy Access screen. Go to accounting, financial accounting, general ledger. So you don't have any option for corrections, which you have into SAP ECC. After the periodic processing folder, you have got corrections folder. And in SAP S/4HANA, you don't have that folder. So due to this real-time integration of FI and CO, the data gets populated to CO at the same time when it is posted to FI. So in SAP S/4HANA, you don't have to run a reconciliation program between FI and CO. So the probability of getting an error or entries not posted is now significantly reduced.